Well, it's turned out to be an extremely volatile week, and in fact, a weak end to this week, considering we did see the RBI come up with norms as far as your consumer loans are concerned, and that in fact weighed down on the entire banking sector along with a handful of large NBFCs as well. Now, the Nifty has snapped a two-day gaining streak, and of course the benchmarks were weighed down essentially by some of your larger names in the financial space. Nifty was down around 0.2 of a percentage point, and Nifty Bank in fact was down by as much as 1.4% through the course of the day. In terms of the broader markets, they did outperform the benchmarks. We did see an advance for the mid-cap index by around 0.3 of a percentage point, and it was the same for the small-cap 250 index as well. In terms of key sectoral movers, we saw further advances for the healthcare space, and of course the pharma index also did well in today's day of trade, followed by realty index, which moves from strength to strength. But on the other hand, on the declines, well, no surprises here. It was largely the financials. In fact, we saw the PSU banking index down by around 1.5%, and it was the same for the private banking index as well. Finally, coming down to your key movers in terms of indices, we did see SBI Life, which was up around 4%, along with HDFC Life as well, which also moved up around 1.5%, and Apollo Hospitals advancing by around 1.7%. And on the declines, it was largely dominated by banks and NBFCs. SBI, along with Axis Bank, losing anywhere between 3.3 to 3.7%. And ONGC also declining by around 2.5%. But a lot of weakness coming across all major private sector banks, along with a handful of your large public sector banks as well. Well, we have seen weakness in today's day of trade. The real question is, can we see some recovery as we move into trade next week? Well, that's a wait and watch. With that, it's back to you.